So, good morning guys. Ang tema po natin ngayon ay sa Romans chapter 12 verse 10. Be devoted to one another in brotherly love. Honor one another in above yourself. Brotherly love. Showing respect, humbleness. Love is the way of a brotherly love. Respect them who they are, whatever they are in their life. Number 2, honor one another. You have to honor them the way you act, respect, because if you speak with humbleness, they will respect you also. Honor one another relies on your deeds, so be devoted to one another in brotherly love that comes from God.